Hello, dear Scorpio. Welcome to my channel Karmic Sage. Before I begin my reading for this month of December 2020, I request you all to please do like and subscribe my channel and do share my videos also. Thank you so much for doing that, Scorpios. So, yeah, let's begin our reading for this month of December 2020. So, Scorpio, I have your cards ready with me, and the very auspicious, the very wonderful card, the very bright card, Sun is here with me, with us for this month, dear Scorpio. So, this card is saying that yes, a new beginning, you are going to shine like sun this month. So that means that yes, there are new beginnings happening and new opportunities coming your way. Either it is business or it is profession or anything. So on the career side, I'm seeing some you are gaining some stability here, because I have six of swords also, I have strength card also. Yeah. Mm, with these cards along with sun, what I'm seeing is what I feel is yes. So there some no the you there are opportunities coming your way, and your decision making is little is getting really stronger now, because based on your intuition. Okay. And at the same time, yeah, your action, your kind of performance also. With the strength card here, what I'm seeing is you will be able to make some positive changes in your life this month when it comes to your career side, when it comes to your business side. Yeah. So you will be able to bring some more lot of positivity. No, you will be able to shift your energies actually to on the higher level this month. With the six of swords card, I'm feeling that yeah, there is kind of a stability coming. Maybe you are struggling all these through from past few months or past few weeks. You're struggling to gain this stability, you see. And now here is the card, here is the energy coming your way, which is going to give you that stability. So you here on, you will be sailing smoothly. So this sun card also is, which is giving us this opportunity, which is giving us a new opportunity to shine, new opportunity to perform, new opportunity which will also add to your financial side. So here no, an appreciation might also be coming your way this month. So these things will give that stability to your career, dear dear Scorpios. So what I'm seeing is here, no kind of life-changing events is happening again this month. When it comes to your business, when it comes to your career side, I have the energy card. I want to read that card in relation to these cards, because this card is again related to money, and this is such an powerful card here. Door to value. You see, this money is coming from the door. So the doors are open now for you to. So this card is again indicating that there is a possibility of increasing improvement in your financial position, which is saying that either a promotion or a business prospect or a change in job, enhancement in your career is possible, and which is also going to bring that money, extra money, bring that increased sources of income. Okay. So this is what I'm seeing for you this month, Scorpio. uh, and when it comes to your emotional side, when it comes to the family side, also on the romance, on your relationship side. Okay. I have we really have good cards again here, Scorpios. And yeah, so we have Knight of Earth, we have the Empress, we have Three of Fire. So these cards are saying me that this, yes, honor your commitments. You are being blessed this month, and buckle down and get things done. Time to buckle down and get things done. Knight of Earth energy is there, which says that yes, you will be getting some. Knight of Earth energy is. Yeah, someone coming in your life. If you are a single Scorpio, there is someone coming in your life which is committed, who is going to be, who is a committed person, who is a skilled person also. And yeah, you can look for some long-term commitment, because we have Three of Fire here in this relationship. So we, with this three of fire, if you are planning for something, long term commitments, there, this is the right time, this is the right opportunity, I would say, for you, Scorpio, because abundance is there. Yeah. So this is, relationships are now opening for you. So no, either on the no, either as a soulmate, or as friends, or also on the work side, wherever it is, that these relationships, you are going to get benefit from these relationships, because we also have the Empress card, not to forget this Empress card, Archangel Gabriel. And Archangel Gabriel is like, it's giving you the power to nurture yourself. Archangel Gabriel card is someone, the is there to improve your relationship. When the Gabriel comes, yes, definitely there will be, you see, you will be like a center of attraction, if I'm not wrong to say this. Yes. So you will be like, there is a possibility of you becoming a center of attraction here. So these kind of no energies coming for you this month, for you, dear Scorpios. So this is, and this is not going to be something like only for this month or temporary basis for few days like that. So this is the time where, which you can actually define yourself. This is the time which you can carry this for the future also, which you can carry this for the long term actually. So this is the time, define yourself properly, make good use of all these energies, improve your relationships, either romantic relationships, or no, uh, or it can be any other relationship also, business relationships also, your work relationships also, your family relationships also. So these bonds are really becoming stronger, and here you are playing a very key role, Scorpios. So yeah, so this is what I have to say for you about this month, and I have your angelic guidance card also. Uh, oh wow! So see, the angel card is again directing us to the same thing: relationships. I just read the message for you, Scorpios. Your primary relationship is with yourself and God, and every other relationship follows from there. To attract, heal, or balance a relationship, then snuggle more closely with your loving creator. As you feel safe and loved within, so shall your other relationships bloom and prosper. So this is such no, in sync with all the messages that I we have here. Ki yes, this relationships, there is, you find your relationships growing forward. So if something was stuck up, or if something was not doing good, in the, because of course relationships are more important in every aspect all of our life. Yeah, if one thing is not working out properly, then we definitely find ourselves stuck up. So this is a wonderful time for you to make good use of it, of course, because we are social beings. So people are there now they are coming forward to support you. So with this card, I feel with the angels are guiding you, that yes, there are no, there are possibilities from the people surrounding people, no, from your social life is going to prosper again. Yeah, this is the message from the angels. Very strong message, and in sync with all the cards here, the Scorpios, isn't it? So yeah, so it's a time for you to behave socially, and because Archangel Gabriel card is also here. So with these two things, these two things are actually guiding me. This Gabriel card and relationship card is that you need to be a little social. This is the time where you can. I'm sorry for the spell. So this is the time. Yes, your social contacts will improve. You have to, just make the first attempt to open up yourself and start moving with the people around. Yeah. So and definitely you find potential people coming in your way who will help you in your career, who will help you in your family life also. Yeah. Thank you so much for listening this thing, and I think I have made many things clear for you, dear Scorpios. So with this, I wind up my reading. I see you again in the next coming month, next year. Okay, till then, I wish you good luck. Take good care of yourself. Bye bye.